Pool Payday, Pool Cash, Speed Pool, Pool Clash, and Billiards Cash all offer cash competitions through skills, but the highest paying option depends on the specific tournament, entry fee, prize pool, and your eligibility. By the end, you'll know 5 pool games with real money competition, how their payout systems work, and what to check before assuming one game pays more than another. Number 5 is Billiards Cash. The game offers free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes through skills. That gives you 2 ways to play. Practice without entering a cash competition or compete for prizes when cash matches are available to your account. Number 4 is Pool Clash. This 8-ball game also offers free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes. Because the game uses skills competitions, the amount you can win depends on the specific match or tournament rather than one fixed payout for every game. Number 3 is Speed Pool. 8 Pool adds a faster format to pool and supports both free and cash matches. Skills handles the competitive structure, so available prizes and entry requirements can vary between competitions. Number 2 is Pool Cash. Skills listing includes free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes. If you're comparing earning potential, don't judge it by the name alone. Check the actual cash competitions shown inside the app, because the available prize amount can change by tournament. Number 1 is Pool Payday. Yay! It combines pool gameplay with skills' cash competition system and offers free matches alongside cash matches. Its position, at the top, comes from its direct focus on real money pool competition, rather than casual pool gameplay alone. There's a major difference between highest paying and most profitable for you.com. A tournament can advertise a larger prize pool while also requiring a higher entry fee or stronger competition. Your actual result depends on how consistently you beat other players, not simply on the maximum prize displayed in the app. Before depositing, open the cash competition section and compare the entry fee, prize amount, number of players, and payout structure for the specific match you want to enter. Also check eligibility. Skills restricts cash competitions based on factors including age and location, and withdrawal rules apply to cash balances. One specific fee matters when you withdraw. Skills' terms say, a withdrawal under $10 can be subject to a processing fee of up to $2. So the 5 games are Billiards Cash, Pool Clash, Speed Pool, Pool Cash, and Pool Payday. Use free matches first, compare the actual cash tournaments available to you, and focus on the games where your results justify the entry cost. If you want more real money game rankings, like the video and subscribe.